wawu na ho asan adwiri enti muntum nkrofo ne fo wo mo ba aboabo nya kurase enti ma mo nyoma je so be flex yagu yeso ofiri kroma ba kurayi tu ono no na won kran bro no bebre o kra asphalt ni ho won nka wo bewu aha muntu amofo na me de asejimi ni ya doso dodo mon kan okra nkyere wo mo ahu o kan okra ni say ya nkrofo mpew but that is the truth. Bible say, and ye shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. Mon kanu kwani nkyere mo mrantie mo maba wa na o mututu kwan kwa yi kumase ne takrade utu kwan go kumase ne nkran a ehemfa na wako a mo ba na mo pese mo bekum ho agu yeso enti yesere wom omo ba ka atwie gimi mu no edoso puumpu mase won fa masa ye na wo ba yo nye heaven onye study Andre nyame amfa fianka enipa be 4-5 knanana because you be ho 10 masa modi amumu amunye study a ene 29th November aka nane kakra bi na fene kwa wieye tu dia muntena ho amuma wiase ne nyamo da wudi wiase ne beja ho ati ene ye dwoda ijabofo aba nti ne yatutu ja no okay nti my emfa woda chinti emfa ema ho ena no pay woda chinti de yesu en si treat everyone equal or good. Treat everyone equal or good. Woda chinti onipa bia ne bebo empu ni mpu onipa bia ne bedi ahyiamu no eya yeniye why yeniye because table ni betimi adane sa asemi maka kan table ni betimi adane a time will come ebia na Obuoba mente ha nti na meti hai a me kan wasem ani wadwai o kene nyame ya adom ne menya appointment kese obeba na magege adam na me nwan me pen ni say ya uduru won ma biso say yes amane ne ha osimi be pa adwuma na say ah o kai say me wa henkan me kan okra na mu bu afu osi wunya me kra obebu me akume okay enti no dachi a obi amfa na ninhunu ne wo mu nti no eya onipa bia ne bedi ahyiamu no treat the person very well. Me say then treat the person very well. Dachi nti when your position ne into your you say wo di be molesting crofo wo di be bullying crofo but dia wonnim ne say position na ene ekura wo no na ekura wo bi wo ye MC ya kan ne hye ne so say eye part ne ba aban mu ena ma wo ye MC ana wo ye DC ene Ghana for say part no ye ni na wia wo kwotena fie wo be ye former into wo ye former enipa omo beba wo nchen no eye nipa a wo teso yi wo be treat wo mo no e kwan ya be fa so be treat wo good no they are the same people that will come to you wa bra wo ko opposition so wo te efie eje wa home and into that into treat onipa bia equal ana good ye nyina treat ye ho yie na ye te ase se dachi asem ntia e betumi aboa yen ene yen kasa mane nko echiri a word to a wise wa fasa so mame me da si bebre enti nyankopon kan ho na o me yen te ase se dachi nti onipa bia ne de behia ene no yen hwe kwan ye befa so a ye ne betena yie na se dachi akonwa ne dane na se ekodi ne ho na ye pemoa yetimi anya akokudro a refer ne se okay time ana me wa ha no me yese boae eni nto so boa me ofra wo Steven Intiamwa Mr. Steven Intiamwa vice principal edema takrade youth leadership skills school no anope bi ma good morning Mr. Steven Intiamwa sanso so ena assistant headmaster edema Atwiaman Senior High School Mr. Afari anope onso me ma good morning me gidi se nyame adom ho ye papa yenso so ye ho sanso so na Mr. Amoa headmaster edema Achiase Senior High School maduru Achiase Senior High School dia ma menchia madam Gifty Coca ena Sel Michael Ota anope ma munyina good morning yenkwa homa ne so na ye ne Frank J Money enko twetwe nkomo Frank Otimi kan no pay. Good morning apomako de.
Good morning nyamia oko na monto e.
Nyamia dom yenso ye ho ye papa bronya no aka nane kakra bi ne ewura bronya bosumi mu. Hwese de driver fu twitwitwi cars ne bia anopa ni o nkasa kakra man.
Yo minyami da fe. Bedi ka tia ahenkan FMC phone ni na senya odi kan no bronya na yebi wura mu no. Ahomboa ben na driver ni o ye de wura mu o car ne condition e ten. O tire e ta te ten. Na ene no me pese me pay attention kakra e wo lorry kwan na e nam so no. Yin na ye ni be speed be aye kono eno na e accident do na eba. Enti no driver ni speed ben na obekọ wabra wura kuro mu speed ben na obekọ wabra wura kuro ni mu ena speed ben na obekọ wabra wa pie kuro ni mu emra ne say wura kuro mu a speed na we to ko na say bro 50 kilometers per hour the wura kuro ni mu a injefa ne say obi edu say ababo SDA na wura odan and say the speed na o ko no bro 50 kilometers per hour dem mo mu say wura kuro ni mu a Emba to do hospital o tani akọ Liberty bono. Uremu dia o maximum speed 30 kilometers per hour. 30 kilometers per hour. Ese na bia na taba pondin say una nkruma 50 na hu okru na TV no na de befrema tande ati entita. Ena ade ba kon sa me pepe adaba kon egu ni say line na e tinsan lorry kwan ni no. Ibi a wasama eka. Line Peter na ya egu te e wo kwan ni no pe ya ye kwan awie na ye the line na tutuma line na eye nya sa na yen breaking ye won ye that ai kwan de dem ene ye won ye nya sa eno de ye kwan bi andem na eno no ye che driving mu a ye kan say ye nya na kwan bi andem no ye kan say o ye driver na do sa baby line yet yen breaking no na e say enye safe so be overtaking yen tie the line na da kwan ni mu no yen breaking into that paper afia ni say baby awadu no enye safe so be overtaking and that be change lane ye in reality you be who that lines no ewo 1 curve mu 2 people apam pem in the so for people now you do na pump mu ho na enye safe so be ye overtaking after you say who rack mu a enye safe say we overtaking we be ka say na me na mu tru fan so na say line bi and mu so ye be for what ya say who rack mu a it say who ne wo ka mu na ti ana say who ne wo people na ti no ya see enye safe say we ye overtaking and na ne ye that na no bi mu a ho ro nyensa that near will do what that near 10 place near 178 and you will do also a that near this year place near what that is mean terminal episode now and also the that near here and a space near woman episode and only the two baby a final is great enough so I tell you about taking now who really can't take it final and we are clear and safe that need them now for you overtaking. Let's say Obekate, what is here say that me say you overtaking who in an hour yet. You more thought to say a final a clear and safe. Make a clear and safer. One clear, where that is the same is soon a woman and I say a boy. Say whether no every year they are. I told say is safer. If you are car beyond my but if you are pot to be the home. And I can't be my but to be a parking motor to be and I say soon when I've been in Namwa. Nese enye safe obeye overtaking no enti kakra yede be ma dollar for abra bro nyenye ba no eno no ye di kan take with speed a ode be nam kum ene ko na pipi kesa wo ka no condition ye good na fi road markings na wo kom no so no kesa wo be ti afi enti aha ena me de maintain ne ebiti
okay papa ma ye na se enti Frank ejei money ene ne kwotwetwe enkomo senia adrabafo ye betwitwitwi cars no na nkonkofa kwanhia basabasa bi emfa emama ka kire mo se ye wa kwanhia bi ho no ye avoidable ye betimi agie firi ho no mo a ye yankasa nipa ye betimi ahwe a ensi so what you say anything I keep talking about attitudinal change I keep talking about it attitudinal change, and no na ebe serve as a catalyst for a responsible nation building. So what I say, for us to build a responsible nation, a nation where all the citizenry, they know what they are about to. They don't go sleep and wake up in the next day without knowing niya omo ye. They just follow everything blindly. And on the other hand, so we need that attitudinal change. It will serve as a catalyst. Ebeboa amomai no atumi akọ nanim. And it is a wutie mi a na je se kakra me de meka ede akere mo eno no. Ene the former president John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, former president of the Republic. Ene ne birthday and it yamano happy birthday. Yankwa umane so na yene yira Samuel Boateng, political scientist. Yene kwa twetwe enkomomfa budget 2022 parliament. Oma rejecti. Yankwa ni twetwe enkomho. Openi wote menka no pay ya Samuel Achiamu akwa baba henka ne fem so.
Openi medo so me da tenso.
Umpumbo ko de.
Yanko pon dia che na mpacho mo so e.
Nyame adom yenso ye ho ye papa. Okay, inti before budget, I don't know whether we should qualify it, say parliament normal reject you, say minority MPs normal reject you. We are yet to find out. We are a sisano. Dear Bempa nature.
Actually, ye kebi mami kebi na ye dipin mu na ameya who say the core mandate the entire parliament one is si hono na mrashe be fie ni si hono afa na sebe ya manyo semuno ye Ghana for ye nyomo so mfaso bize over the years your parliament na ya rubber stamp ya ba aban obeba kunya no so no automatically no awe ne mrashe the dom dodo no wo mrashe be fie enti ne nhyehyɛ ne meyɛ ne nneɛma bi a ɔde brɛt mamufo no sɛbe sɛ yewu ɛnam sɛ ɔwɔ dɔm dodoɔ no oduru hɔ a ya paase na abɛyɛ mmara na asedanka nyankopɔn sɛ yɛ 2020 election na yɛ amna ya bato no yɛ toyɛ no ɛyi biribi yɛ fɛ no rubber stamp afiri hɔ ɛna ɛyi biribi a ne yɛ fɛ no winner takes all amanyɔsɛm no afiri ɛwɔ yɛamanyɔsɛm dwumadie mu ɛdi sɛ deɛ naano mekaeɛ no mrashe bedwa fie no omo nso ye aban kura bata baako omo nneoma bi omo de ma ebia ye fa ne sa mamuo na aban ote kunya so betima ye adwuma amno sote mamufo n'ani a ne fapem ne gina mrashe bedwa fo no so enti ehɔ no de yanke yenye ne yenye ne too partisan na so enam sɛ ye hyɛ da nyɛ matured ɛwɔ ye manyosɛm ni nti no obehu NDC sɛm kakra hɔ obehu MPP sɛm kakra hɔ Then no, your parliament said the NSCI and Yoma Miensa and Umujumedi Umubidin both the so-called minority and the so-called majority no as omoye. You kind a parliament as I say a year all inclusive and then a head in Lancasa. Near Bichini Miensa Ben consultative. It's in there. Nase begani bi owo bia so ye NDC ni so ye MPP ni so ye minority so ye majority owo twaka e wo parliament di madi ana aban di madi mu entimpempi no se minority ye bibi a ya no mo mpese majority ni behu omo consult wo mo se majority ni nso ye bibi omo nso mpese minority ana nso behu nto omo consult nenso ye hang parliament we die majority ntimi ye bibi omo di be minority and as a minority in the or majority, and to me, Obi, and as will be Obi, yet also you no, my be a friend of compromise, and may be media two and him. What's the white game so much imagine up to me said, let the two or our Brasia Quanso, and as a million two, and in painting, and I'm so here the panity. It's ultimately convincing enough, no compromising, no did the day by the two. It was compromising, no did too much. Near bad, and yet be a friend of consensus. It is ne. And I said, the Phoenix one, or would you make the especially when you say, or more the consensus. The consensus, Begua, and when they reflect the interest of Ghanaians, the entire to a baby mercy with the full fear, and we do medium. And then, they want to say both parties in our consensus now. I'm a neno. As a will be a democratic powers, as a minority who is omu to me, and a majority who is omu to me. Then so the consensus needs a few more. And as I say, engineering buildings are compromised, you know. They are not so consultative enough for a consensus in the market. If you know, politically, then you're unwise to say, I buy or take you so no other running away from the budget. But strategically, they are smarter, so the more is almost working out. If you say, Oman free, I should be the few, and also Oman working out. Let me say, I buy or take you no some numbers. No, 137. Nankabeya Nimguasiama ban. And in Tina, be a strategically and in a smart way, no, or free Mercedes of you. Ain't he? Free Mercedes of you, most work canons, so none say, Yenya hang parliament, or most to take a decision. Ain't he? Or when to build the consensus, or when to build that compromise, you know, and or my consultation. And intimate, I do say, and the problem that you're creating in 29 years ago, you're creating winner takes all. I feel now, I saw a bam for so bonny at the maximum for, and to send a person a bank crime, the person cook master, obiso of a plane, obiso of a car. As I said, you two be as the entire lay for plane, or as a mammy be at the entire as I say, or for car, as I say, we money at the way I am penning for eating. Enti omumi nu na ekon ye Ghana for na sebe ye de 2 minimum ye mfaso be ni be ye free sa nyoma we budget na ye say approve enti say opposition si nyoma bi koso na nyoma bi wo budget nu na say ye nsa kire wo mu a e de ne fi aban yi kwan say obeti ase na o maye opposition no so ye so mo maye alternative mo se mo mpe we ye e de na mo susu say ye de ba e be boa ma Ghana for nyina e no so a e no so aye dabi enti opani aye kwesiko enso da so gina nkwantia e wo mudwumadi o mudidi magana for
enti wakoye political scientist na yenhwe from this angle NPP as a party a omo no sign wa ban mu nti omo no ye government now omo lead den na ekoso wo omo adwene mu e na party na nkesa mu ne den na ekoso mu now
ebe ha omo se enioma yesusu se on se amamu no ya mpempi no omo test no ma experiment nti enioma nkomo person be experiment na na so omo test no an sada nyantu amamu amu nti ama won hyehyɛ no onze me yen kan se budget no a process ye say ye budget preparation it start we mu de na start be early February na nioma wasa daje wa engage stakeholders any more opinion leaders, no more various ministries, government agencies, no departments are obia the proposals are drafted into budget. Now they are banner a binum success new maybe more uncle and the man new man or person away and watch even obey me here and the idea a better photobidi ama ban party the same pan or who alternative ben a dear ben ye become Ghana for an opposition not here. And not necessarily about it to me, and so we engage opposition very well. Visit or wouldn't to mean for the opposition, and also wouldn't to mean for the Ghana for bra opposition, also a check a boom, intermediate. The best rabbi say, or we engage opposition. Not yet, you how about me who say, obey not compromising with me at one movie, and I just idea. Ye the beba ye nyintum ye beba guni adene de e be koso sa emma bani that stable mind no emfa ni dwuma ese na budget nso say ya approve a e je say government business no e na yentimi enye bibie bi say ya approve budget bi a yentimi nye spending bi o various ministries bi na agency bi the burden is on the government. They say obetimi convince opposition enough. Now opposition is alternative be or person or the man bano. Abano some fun quite you know who's an okre. Where you may compromise na me dituma and every and yet the cronco and a brunco and one more you may be open.
Enti na metie wuyi a ɛwɔ sɛ aban ne timi convince opposition no na the entire Ghanaians no a ɔmo na saa budget no yɛde bɛyɛ ɔmo ho adwuma no so ɔmo timi convince opposition no na ɔmo wini ɔmo to ɔmo side a na they are doing that in whose interest?
Opposition, as you see, who said, and some of them can, is it the ordinary cry of the good people of Ghana? So, he let the name woman, who say, a binum who say, I say, yeah, tax, no, yeah, tax, mobile money, than they had. And yeah, opposition, they can just to win political points, and either the cry of ordinary Ghanaian, and none is our man, opposition also my fun say and now so more acting as alternative to the government no more so person mobile bemunti and the penny back never and soon so one never what in them for you move to if you say abani to me achieve in a year a demo opposition I on popular and I almost into me map a bemu it the only a some more can yeah Ghana for 7 years minimum so budget the end of woman, yeah, can you see a young such a collective, a UN partisan, with a budget and a young duty for the and NDT for the United years of Ghana for a woman, moments and job for who is a teacher for who is ordinary Ghanaian and another street, the old street or torn at the the man maybe or didn't go in queer in almost who is a budget to ye say that boy, ye, some planning who say. The city opposition can be a thousand painting, opposition, a baby opposition, and answer what Ghana for. If you know, a yaquas opposition, Ghana for soon, any opposition, the AI. So, a baby who is a sad no credible one, and the credible would of any, they should compromise. No one city or more can I say. Opposition is never all kind of quack, as all do alternative back. Your problem in your politics near the party agents to be back. Party being found as you have from no abagu and also worried there and no you too much desire politics and you we have about 1.75 who's to say yen 1.0 and I yen 0.5 no what's the yen as I say yen said ya girl the little team are some now can a twasum now baby yen trusting cast your bagu now what's you don't generalize we deal with specifics it is opposition that you know enough. And we said Ghana for how being Ghana for which the binti they had 1.75 as electronic levy back a tax in Ghana food at the Comodini the Broma. Research now we are found to know the Magana needing pass you almost near a Bemuka ready may a part new ready and answer the opposition they can say a baby woman nothing in a room. It's a banning team from Quadrin Jim. When you are the visit, said the mechanical, say a cookumase, now the full play, now the wheels of the car, and some chili beauty, Ediana, and send the full play, let me go do them, let me be them, Harrison. Edians were, Uncle Eddie, the name of full play on the Bocaqua into young Faka, which is some way that Nipana, oh, yeah, the Namano. Although it's a way and facilitate room, another facilitate way entity near the Asimo. It is a problem with any young country was like you creating 29 years ago. I feel you swaba. Say a winner takes all now. Say in Tempino, you did but and your crowd near pass it, and I'm saying your majority then. I buy your tape. You saying who say opposition who chaka. The opposition be the almost more acting as alternative. Almost now obstructing the activities of the government. And we got clearly sound mind. Anyway, you might know. Among some no more kind of so a baby womb, and you know, so bloom, a year, the Ghana for and opposition, a can be a man every day. In Pimpy, Yamanism, a baby oppositioner, and we're going to Ghana for not here, Kunaso, or no, I had your pay. Leaders will always have, you see, almost they will always have their way.
Okay, and see, Yabeda say, now, you beside the final question, said we should expect. The second coming and as a return of Ajenkwa budget our parliament. Wow.
Yes, as I said, yes, specific. As a no more consultation, no. There's only engagement, no. Budget means no want to revisit. The budget is good year. I guess 2022, we shouldn't expect anything by the government. Government know a lot of responsibility. Government in a band one new money dress 1 year. New more long term and medium term now OUN as we budget. Yeah, I say Oba Anabema a year coma. Not the other own way, a behagen power into position or man. No months or months to yet your months to sell with the Abuama Bani Media Phone. And he said, maybe the Amicasa said, Parliament, yes, you must pay you no more you are more political dancer. Kabaya, you being the executive organ, and say, yeah, Juma, I'm not sortiment when and no near yes, the three of mine.
You're an opay, Yanni tea for say that's a pan, Yamishra. Inti Yanni Ura Samuel Boating or your political scientist, and Yanni Cotrain and Comono and Osho Sima, okay, non crop pepe and a bo a war if you have me patrol, ma yin tray home raya bar, Yedi Jumedi Yakanina. To us so say a baby mua and near ma is to see your parliament no ye de nyina de bemamo e de bentin MPP omo akasa de agenkwa budget ya ba na afi agenkwa ba na omu adwane ye ba ye bedi mu nkomo ye nkomra.
Hey, Sansa. Mommy for me mattress and come down. Wouldn't how? Now, a dear mattress me. Yeah. Oh, some pa. Now mattress be a canacoto. Oh, where dear brand? Why, say, yeah, ash foma. Next is a one to mattress. I had distress partner at home. Yeah. A mattress, a bemo chair, ya. The Biano de Mika Hospital. Nurse for no one of us at the Janet. And as over to use mattress, Trebia, a bemo so die bonnet, and I just ran out to come to my risky. A ash foam mattress. Nim pasu no mape ne mahunam duan ho jojo no etnetene wapom ne ma oda na ho na manipadua na sisi ne ho so afena meni ewie begiem papa hodo bebre mattresses, pillows, bed linens, duvets and in your mafe 5 this is dem e wa ash foam
Freyen was 055-299-7330 and now 0245-011-255 Shisha ash foam depot e wo oda kede stredro across ana achiasi na beto ashom product ko siesie with them wasaso ana wadwaye bia ebiom so carpenter for ne upholsters mo betumi anya carpentry products na ewo ye shops wo be hu ashom odan showroom ewo Ntiamoa junction.
Ashfoam, feel it, know it.
Okay.
Obuoba Yankopon Israel papa Yankopon Israel dia nkan mpo nipo no na dwen hu so de adwuma we ba ha ni pakon ogitum Yankopon Israel se nipa na Obuoba no pe wakan sema man papa omo Yankopon kan ho na de kan ho na yi a kyerɛ wo
Obuoba manage ma ho fama se and metumi nya because my trust every time we a product, to be frank, you are a product that we have to be proud of you nyame Israel bebre.
2 minutes after 9, still live on Ahinkai 93.3 FM. Maakye any Jumedie no edin anope yesinkonwa ye de ma me pacho adwenche no betumi dia ba ebedu ha be kenkan kama dia ma 0594 841 044 0594 841 044 Fabra ha sanso na betumi e dia call other social media handles no ye be kenkan ni nyina kama edi amamo ebinumu bisa nia esiye ewo parliament ya enam so ama as we speak budget 2022 ebinumu kire say ya reject ebinumu kire say ya reject ye as whether ya reject or not ya reject ye no I will take you and I walk you through some of a year and some no esisi ye wo parliament ansa na ye dia beduru ba bia ye drei and inti mo a mon share dante ye no ena no fiada ena omayimra hye bia fie ne ehwe animu senka omobekọ na akonhomasika finance minister omampani nam no so e dia akoto parliament no omadi hu ano baba ya debate na koso akama afei na ebre na so a se ye begia tum ana ye nyintum se ye de be ye adwuma no na nka omokọ makwakosi saa aginaye no na omkokoduru emrahye bedwa fie no anopa no ndu ena omye senka saa anyitumu no anase saa aginatu no anka ebekoso omokoye Crawford kotena ho kotena ifiti anopa no na nya asem ketwa unse before eba bekoso no bidi kan ema wo analysis bi say and I said me can catch that with some of the things we should expect say because of parliament say majority side not trying to woo their supporters, convince them to tell them say omonko budget into and a minority so how the minority caucus will also meet, try to explain why they should stand by their position, say they are not going to accept the budget. Enti ni nyina ekoso saa ankasa hone saa we ni nyina eyade a ekoso before the very moment omu nyina de kokohie mu o chamber hono mo. Enti omu koduru chamber hono ena ekokoba say finance minister Ken Oforiata Emma parliament ni nyane ntiye say obesre na one leadership na ewo fie hono mpanimfo na ewo fie hono obesre speaker na wani mpanimfo no akwaye kokoa mu meeting anase nkita hudie ono makwakonya sa nkita hudie no ena speaker say sa asem no a all kan de sere na all sere free parliament no ho no ena no meka tell say we be a speaker of parliament a ono no ye kasamafo e de ma mrahye bedwam ena mrahye bedwamfo no enti ono ankasa ntimi mfa ne pe entu anamo bi enti na wo se okokogye adwentoatoa e de free members no eho enti speaker of parliament ne sa pepepe se obekogye adwen kyerɛkyerɛ na se obekogye members no adwen kyerɛ e de afasa asem no finance minister ka no eho yemfa si ha na menkwa homa ne so menkodi nkomo mra me ba na mensan entoa so emfama mo yekɔ ahoma no so na ye ne nana kwasi boafo akɔtwetwe enkomo ukɔ achim etwere so a emabunu no anopai omo so omo tu on ho agumonte so ayo ye kyere adan a omo kwan no atete apansam omo aka kyere mpanimfo aka mpanimfo won pom ho no mo na ayo madwene se mimfi taduku no mbɛbɔ ede anenam kronim empani se oyafunye oya na wamfe wo se a wanhwe ya ye de ohwempo aduro ne ya betare aranta so eni ti mabunu wa achim etwere so anopai asɔre se omo oye kyere nana kwasi buadi eka wo mo ho nana oteme nka anopai mamo achi aba henka na fam so apomboko de achim twere so youth anopai mo se yanya moden
afela na ditu mu adokia ochen hima na afra tim kwa ben yon san yo tima ja san na sebe imeru kan ma membra acting chief of atuma twere so da sebe twuma si dwama na ibia hwebe ma ba won fedua the pankwa na opre dia ma atuma twere so man be ma em se kamia ko ese amanyofo e de atuma twere so adwen e di agorache atuma twere so ye titi kro eba odo traditional council in the area twere so ne si ne sreso. That's why Kamia said, National Cake Bro for Canada be a cashier, say yet to Tama, we are through the Ghana.
You have just 1 minute remaining.
I see. I will bring so. Okay, nti nana ma yen sign emfro sisi a wate. Hey, kweku from pon di asembe ba no pay. Oh, Debbie. Okay, nti ye hwe se ye be san ko na ye ne no akobobo enkomo. You have 1 minute to obronu iso. Hey, money adin. I see. I don't see abusia ma me san fa won back to parliament ni hono mo nkomo kakra. Nti na no fia da ne ekoso. Akwakọ wie se budget ne se yenji ntumu a ya gbato aguo no. Eno ho nkomo ne migusu ame no twetwe nti na no fia da no. Omkokohia ye. Afanu mienu ni nyina obi ane ni nipa kasa ye. Enti asia ye adwuma kama. Afei yakotena ase wo parliament ye koduru ho no finance minister se wo wasem ka asem ben ya wo se wo sre efie ho eni mpanimfo no se obehia mpanimfo na wo fie ho no na ono wo mo akokasa kakra enti eno no na speaker of parliament se okay waka me de me no me ye osomafo me de beto me mrantie ne me maba wa no anim ne omo beka no ne de be ye adwuma eni enti abusuafo ne apapa yi kanie yema ne kwan na ose wo pese wo hunu mpanimfo a wo fie ha no ono wo kasa yema mo kwan na enti we na speaker to de ma wo mo se mo amofo aso se yema ne kwan no monka ani yepene so mo amomfo aso no monka sɛ daabi yɛmpene so wate aseɛ enti sɛnea speaker ayi parliament wɔn hyehyɛ tie no yɛ ne no ɛno abi na ɛkɔɔ so ɛwɔ hɔ enti ɛno kɔɔ so no deɛ bɛbiem ne baeɛ mame san kwa homa ne so nkɔdi nkɔmmɔ ɛmmra megye di sɛ wakeka nneɛma bɔ mu yie ɛba bie mu igya mɛtoa ma wɔ ha no wobɛdi kan wɔ anim hɔ okay nana kwasi yɛsan ɛmo akɔ aba megye di sɛ masa wobɛyɛ steady ate bɛyɛ steady yɛ steady paa no pɛ yi ɛkɔm de wo a monkɔ anim hɔ kɔpɛ aduane di ansa na bɛto adwuma no so ɔmo a wɔ so frɛ wɔ mo na ɔmo check bi so nneɛma keka bɔ mu wɔ ha no call them and stop what you are doing masa from no nyɛ nea wɔ so ɔmo yɛ ne gyadeɛ wo gyina ha no mo a wo kyerɛ no True. Yɛntoa so yɛnkɔ yɛ anim a ɛno nti yɛda so a parliament hɔ abatfoɔ no wɔ sɛ kɔ so wɔ sɛ yɛgye adwenkyerɛ ane anaasɛ daabi nti kɔwie sɛ members of parliament both NDC and MPP no ma menka asɛm nkyerɛ before a mɛtoa so ma menka saa asɛm nkyerɛ MPP foɔ no ɔmo yɛ 138 MPC no NPP MPC no no mo yɛ 138 saa da no yɛ nanu fiada no ɔmo nso me say ɛnanu fiada na MPP for ɔmo nso 138 no ɔmo nso ɛni ti se yɛ nso 138 na se yɛ bɛto aba na aba na yɛ bɛto no yɛanhwɛ yi ade animguaseɛ kakraka saa de bɛba de a ma yɛnyɛ bibi mfa mewom ɛna ɔmo yɛ de ɔmo yɛ no but ɛno kra de yɛmfa nsi nkyɛn no ɔmo nso enti de atie nie speaker say mo amo foa so say ye ma osoafo no hwesika asem so kwan na one mpanimfo wo fie ha mekasa no monka ai ena mo ye mo amo mfoa so nso mo yente monka omo si no enti omo wie no na pair the interpretation of the speaker no or conclude say per ono ni own discretion ono ne ote ye no say no na edoso nti say no na edoso de a ene na osoafo no a ohwesika sem so no a oye senka embra hyebedwamfo no ema ne kwan na oni mpanimfo wo honko kasa no enya de asa akwanya no ebeba so mpacho wate ase thank you na weina deputy majority leader onimunyamfo Alexander Afenyo Markins sorry so opani dia o kan me no wonya adwen ma me kwa homa ne so mra biom ne hwe se yekoba one ne be ya adwen a yewra buadi wo de be che yen na ugusu a wo kyerɛ yen senti ene mo ye demonstration no wada roma yenti o
okaje ma me nya very correction
boafo me da se boafo
eti mi ya se de na me kan no na ekane apese achem atwere so de yeyi ayipamu ye ka titinkura ewo oteba mu a eboa ekyekere ocheman a emi se ocheman atena nkonwa bedi adanse se atwere so yi ne gupu mani binia ye no anse na me ni enim se His Excellency the President Nana Dankwa Kufuado oya chenkwa kan onumbrem
yenua unim ebre ni nti yenkwa asem no so ye monitor why
yo
better
menua de Kenya ne say okay dwem bridge a connect esukese e de ba twere so etwam de ko fon ase nyina no menua bridge ne nyina atete advance ma asɛ ya de nei na mbabu e wa twere so na afọ da man e de koja abobo wonti e de bibia abobo wonsa akyere mu sɛ national cake din bi wo ho saa de a ena na mbere bi sɛ e twere so ade hye nso nsa bɛka ho de ezan sɛ 7th December 2020 e twere so ade hye to something kɔto aba e participate so omo ye citizen of this very country e ba ne sɛn ne de de e ba wo yi o mafim eti ne mbabu a wo twere so akantema de sɛ ye man panyifo obosome mako minu sɛ yante ho hwe yewura kwasi amwafo ata ye nim pefe so kɔ atuma nyinam kɔ atem kwa be asphalt na ye fa ho nyina ka ganafo ho na mu eba ne sɛn na ba bifu enya na enya boro so ana etwere so de o matwa yabo
amanyɔfoɔ deɛ borɔfo baako pɔ ɔmo te yɛ demonstration eti so ɔmo tie no ɔmo tie menim sɛ ahenka deɛ edu akyire atitiri ne ne ntiri ne tie eti ɔmo tie no ɔmo tie a yɛwura kɔdɔ ɔpɔn kroma na yɛ mmra sɛ badwani wɔ hanom sɛ ɛkame akɔ sɛ ɔyɛ twayabɔ eti ɔnkan ne nti wɔhyɛ ɔhyɛ trɛsoman wɔhyɛ ɔde hyɛ trɛsoman ɛne ɔdawman sɛ yɛakɔ yɛ atete apansoma sɛ kɔnte bi na obɛdi ho dwuma de ama na mbrɛ n'aso mmerɛ ni hɔ ma ɔda sani eti yɛwura kɔdɔ ɔpɔn kroma wutie atie yie na ne yɛwura kɔsɛ ma akɔ atankasa sɛ ɛkwan yɛ firi atoma nyinam kɔkɔ abɛn na ɛfɛ akɔno a obi ehu ɔbɔ nsɛm na ɛtwerɛ so yɛ hia bi ɛkwan yɛ firi kɔ abɛn kɔ abomosu ɛkɔ akurofu ɛkɔ ɔnoa ne kurom atoma awendare no ɛpato ɛtwerɛ so yɛn so yɛ hia bi a ɛyɛ yie sɛ atɛmrɛs ɛtwerɛ so man yɛnu yɛ ho yɛbere yie paa yɛnu ano sɛ n'amɛn yɛn nyinaa na ɛkɔto aba ɛtwerɛ de wokɔ baabi ewu sampa bibi kɔ so wokɔ ha ho sɛ bibi kɔ so sɛbi ɛtwerɛ so man akɔhyɛ mu nti anaa nti deɛ ɛka nyinaa ne sɛ yɛma mpanyinfoɔ bosome mako mmienu sɛ yɛn ho hwee a wɔde ɔpɔn kroma efiri nkranba a ɔnkɔfa birim na ɔmɛsi ne kurom na paa sɛ ɔbɛfa ɔdan bɛtwa mu ɛtwerɛ so deɛ Nigeria ne bɛsi ɛkyikyi alankanti ɔngɔ mɔngɔngɔ mɔsi yɛmpere na mpere kyena san sɛ ɔmo deɛ ɛtwerɛ so man adwene adi agorɔ akyɛ ɔmo fo sɛ sɛbi o ɛtwerɛ so ade sɛ yɛhoro yɛnim ɛkɔ soro mini ayo program no ka sɛ mi pa sɛ nkrafo ne firi nkraba aboabo a ɛyɛ ɔmo sɛ sɛbi ɔmo aba kura ɛna kura ni baabi a obɛtwerɛ so a bɛma bibie ni ha yɛni ICT center police station kura ɔhimpɔn a ɔhwɛ akyire n'ani wɔde ne bɔtɔm sika ACD ama yɛ yɛakwan yɛ yɛnsu sɛm nyɛ yɛni ntoa so ku bia wɔ hanom sɛ
I see
na yɛmmra sɛ badwani a wɔgye yɛ anohoba ɛgye yɛ vote kɔtena mmra sɛ badwa fie sɛ ɔbɛhwɛ ama ɛtwerɛ so ma afa no ntoma pa fira
okay enti wonim sisi a mebisa wo no demonstration ma hyɛ aseɛ na sɛn ne teɛ
menua demonstration kora de yɛhyɛ aseɛ ahomate na onum sɛ sɛdeɛ mabu n'ani abere no
okay
sɛdeɛ mabu n'ani abere no yɛhyɛ aseɛ papaapa a saa bere deɛ ɛnkyɛ biara no yɛmpanyinfoɔ deɛ ɔmanu de sɛm ɛbɛto dwa
okay
ama nsɛntwerɛfoɔ nso anya bi de agu afidie so nyame yɛ adom a 12 o'clock anasɛ anwummerɛ no nsia deɛ ade hyɛ ɛwɔ Ghana na afei titiriw kwasɛ mu akwata yɛnim pefee wayɛ ne kurom kwan sɔkyee
okay nti sɛnea woka sɛ mo wie a mobɛsummarize mo nsɛm nyinaa ne nsɛmkyerɛfoɔ bɛba hɔ yɛbɛfa yɛmprɛm to berɛ kase ɛbɔ mu no yɛbɛdi mu nkɔmmɔ ma yɛ no ase yɛbɛsan aba biom okay meda ase bebree na yɛsan ɛkɔ ahoma no so biom na yɛne onimonyamfoɔ Henry Boakye yi adom ɔyɛ member of parliament akwatia yɛfrɛ no Okoyo ana oh okay suaduro mom okay enti me kɔ na me ne onimonyamfoɔ Kennedy ɔsɛ nya akomom ɔno no wɔ akyem suaduro ɔno na ɔyɛ MP ɛwɔ hɔ ɔno aboa no pɛ wote yɛn ka yamo wakyea mo akɔ aba nyame ahu yɛ mɔbɔ na wadarɔma wo nso yɛde awurade ase wedeɛ wadarɔma o ɛna no fiada no ne yɛtete TV ho a ebi mu so tietie ahenkan a ne yɛhunu sɛ mo nyinaa masɔre yɛ pie asɛm bɛn a
okay yo dedi kan ma me na mase na nkyia motie 43 ayi mpɛ so asofo a etie me wɔ fidie so me da no fiada no sɛbe yesi wɔ no esi wɔ mra hye bedwam no na nyina fi sɛ sɛbe enya de a na ɛyɛ papa na de nti America sa no sɛ nyina ekuhyia ai ɛyɛ budget yi ho na yedi ho kuduru baabi no na ɛyɛ to sample a sɛbe begina amampani na nembo because mra announce minister no wa ba kind amana ko mo body nyinaa ɛwɔ ɛyɛ amampani edinimu na nemu so amampani no ntumi megina wɔnyɛ ti mizo abɛyɛ ma yɛdi ho abobo fiofo nyinaa yɛayɛ yɛ friend sɛ yɛdi debate awie Friday no na yɛ wrap up no yɛ ana de bia yɛ sɛ yɛma minority leader wrap up na majority leader so I the same na budget yi ba yi yɛhyɛ ase sɛ nsɛm bebree efiri minority for side aba the call even post budget workshop who assembly be kobaya na minority for no akase the finance minister tani man wan hwe na wan ye ho adwuma nya de ombe support budget no see ya wi only time of finance minister benya opportunity in someone a call post budget workshop no a minority for no the kind no at the two and the input is free minority leader the wrap up statement on the budget no crown the be man na say obeti na ono so akire anamo pesu to say if you hope man kwan na waka say okay bia metia fa no nyina if you have a call for budget workshop no nti anamo say na me pese bitu nti obuta speaker say no say the kwan so asenka obama kwan ya pese o engage both leadership on the side on issues were almost every or engage you a few minutes now to meet your there be one position and Sakura and finance minister on why final wrap up because budget none of the buy toward the last year on over kasa no be cattle now yes you me but your the third term na me in who da minister be aba parliament obetiki the prayer of the speaker speaker no akasa me de nintri ma kwan na matoama parliamentarians no mo amu decide the first time I'm seeing this is what speaker Bagni no I've never seen it the by any opposition NDC time then who be crafting 2017 MPP we need that who be paying you Raja wa paying so who be paying oh buy o ka so basically prayer of the speaker and the speaker makwan but I've given you the permission go ahead as speaker me mean the anti potria again potria na bia odikina asunti o ka say if you know anka se fie for na ngaza anyeho when he knew says so up to that question one there will be confusion and chaos in the house. But that is what he did. The kind of us who are here. But I know somebody, young can read. And see, but imagine there will be two questions. No, Omo move fast say. Yama speak a quiet. Omo cafe. Omo move fast in cafe no. Now, okay, no, I ain't Jason. We ain't Jason. What happened or say I am minority for this one now we are now as well who say really hey now I think you can be the one who be really and what say if you are way munipa months on a way the cross this area yeah account na into me kura e wo some no my really say o ma finance minister kwan e ma no mekata ya to aso na no mo no see okay what say ye be ye no sha see so really standing orders no and what say say ye be ye sa dia e say ye clear obia from the lobbies of parliament ye can say the lobbies of parliament it is not within the chamber the lobbies of parliament is behind the speaker channel the say to me clear obia dio now ye mele mo no the standing orders, you want to share say ministers of state have the right to participate in the business, the chamber. Parliament. So now MP a minister of state parliament. Now I'm taking part of proceedings. Then so only to me say you go to be already know the constitution and the standing orders the minister to me back. Now, okay, I say, you can't independent. Now, you're going to say, there's a kind of independent, be more members of parliament, and the speaker, and which means on the finance minister. What happens you can say, okay, a member of parliament, you need to leave the chamber. Actually, ministers have the right to stay in the chamber, but cannot participate in any voting. And now, Ofori seek the opinion from majority leader. They will change men and voting. Now, almost Kasa or Chiran to not Kasa or Kasa, you sure that they will tell me Chambo Super or sorry, no Kasa already that issue, and it's them the speaker and the speaker. Yes, Sunday on the switch, let's say, one can real crown a speaker can't say. Mashana, the Prime Lawyer, the Parliament Police, you should come and take the finance minister away. We thought it was too disrespectful and too harsh. Because the president in a company on Obuoba reading in a year, the budget of minister speaker making a catch. Mashana said, on that the finance minister away. Now, nobody can read to a car. Not say, finance minister, on long for OMP and non now. They will deal with the matter. Into one sorry, uncle. And I draw, seek an attention, say, I will say, everybody should be cleared from the lobby. And that's a chamber on which the gallery is part of the chamber. Yeah, now you are, don't see a look at the outer shore. He's also not a member of parliament. And yet, my honor Sonko. Nasukani and what he said here, he is not ready to ask John Siatia to go and MMR majority for free. If that is the case here, they will walk out as a protest. Now, the speaker any ban home, now on yet the right thing. Now, the Baba, near Baba, yes, we are walking out. And now, speaker man who said the aircon was suspended for 5 minutes. Indeed, they could see I acquired some drop war to see him at that time. Now, speaker, I hear for my 5 minutes, he said, the best time I'm a back. Let me play a year and so forth, see a 1 year. The back at the end of the speaker back, Timber one. So we take it decision. Making here on 7th floor, the conference hall. There is a shop will see a move. Yeah, now you have to chamber because we have to address the media. Yankee are walking out. Before I had to say, we are a next step on the 7th floor now. That is a speaker. A classima would watch some crazy. So we couldn't even get to the chamber before Krantana. Now, some of those who are Parliament, you have the man here, you know, doing foul pension. Now, he said, them one, I can't be car. And to me, this is one channel, table office for and as a clerk of Parliament, you know, and only be, you know, one misleading, because a decision like this, you know, actually, quite an emphasis. There are two things in Parliament, I said already. A quorum of Parliament before business can commence in the House. And the quorum of Parliament before a decision of Parliament takes. There are two different things. In two share all them or the 48, actually prefer before a Parliament, the best transacting the business of the day. We just need 1/3 of members to be in the chamber. To 1/3 in there, we need to do the 1/3 is about 91 or 90. Let's wrap it at 92.
Yeah, 92.
They are transacting business. But push up that 109. Actually, prefer said before a decision can be taken in Parliament, you know, and then the issue said there were at least half of all members of Parliament present in the chamber. A few of people say all members of Parliament here 275 for there. Here half. What is half? 275. It can never be 37.5 because it's half. It can also never be 37. It can only be 38. It can only be 138, but not 137 and a half. And the same man here, not quite back from that person. Speak, I know. I'm to me, I'm directing here. He's in Parliament, I went to 710 for fire lawyer. But over to me, I'm directing here. The only directed speaker to focus is mine on the 102, Article 102, which only talks about quorum of Parliament now. Over your order, standing order, order 48, which talks about the quorum to transact
business.
I don't know, misleading. Look, you could take that decision. But the decision taking before you take a decision, it depends on order 109 or article 1041. I am you see, Pusha and some baby Abamo, majority for Nakasate, and I'm more a speaker unconstitutional. Clearly, it's unconstitutional because it does not even meet the constitutional requirement or even our own standing orders. No, it does not meet it. But they couldn't have taken that decision if we did not have that number in chamber. Now, I who would TV show. So, I'll see any head count. Accounting will be at the say, or say, members present are 137. If 137, yeah, then it means they don't even meet the half of all members present in the chamber to allow them to even go ahead to take a decision on the substantive motion, which is either to approve or disapprove the economic policy of the government.
I see.
It is a honor to see I now, the fact that I didn't run a year humanity, near the standing order humanity. Her decision be Saba. Not in fact, in the first place, if it does not satisfy the constitution or our standing orders, you can declare it as null and void. So also please say it has to go to the record that at this time they take it that decision which was unconstitutional and also your procedure to obey the motion of rescission. Sorry, or filing motion of rescission. Akata, let us say if you have a taking decision here, not any number of questions, or move for that motion, or we take that decision to be for it to be reversed. And not for
and on a mamma must.
At this time, to me, the news is a command not yet some kind of friction be about the two parliament. 3 years after the piano, there will be some kind of heat in the house. It will not help the entire country. The most important, we have an opportunity. Those who will reverse even the decision that was taken in Ukraine. We need to bring everybody, both the minority side and the majority side, on board and sit on the round table and discuss. Because it is going to affect the rest of the 30.8 million. Ghana point through one more time, depending on Ghana buying so and some of them. It is going to affect them because the government budget is not approved. How are we going to run it? As we run it, government hospitals will be granted to a horse. Education system will be granted to a horse. Because people have got their own job card, they won't go and work.
Sure.
For women's job card, they won't go and work. They won't have money to buy. The security system is not solid, military. And that is where I am afraid that if we have to get to that level, I'm sure maybe after all mine.
But honorable, I would want to believe to say honorable, I would want to believe say near my work can say any budget sanan to more you be go through no a minority no almost taking this stance no normal considering in other that one. I'm
not consider but demands now almost one they have to know it is a government who has been voted for by the people of Ghana. It is a government that is presenting a budget. And government who has putting programs to keep that program, yes, and just because you have equal numbers, 137, 137, you know, if is there, we have equal numbers. So let us use this number to frustrate the government at point in time. Oh, yes, I'm more money now. Yes, equal numbers. Nobody has absolute majority. So let us make sure that the very frustrating the effort of government at every point in time is already 5 issues. Issues have already to budget workshop. Must say, how? One, finance minister, there was some agreement about Aka Energy buying of process. What say to me, finance and to the energy minister about parliament. And some of the man who have moved and so on for him. And yes, I prefer no matter finance minister, or making sure so back to and now back money fine to the exact mandate the ama energy minister. But you have here, that's you. One time catch on paper, get that defense, you know. Well, who budget the him and the finance minister, no making sure say. Why a provision for that defense, no? And also for court, also a for here, not the other. Yes, also, me and Sam. You see, finance minister, budget, and what should I say? Government will bring a review agreement of a tapa on the back. And we say, so no, compre, and the abandon for you, and losing free. The person, who see you let me know, abandon on the back. About going to the lobby in the stream. I hope that much. You love you know. Should I say, okay, you need love in the stream. But do this and get the same revenue now. Okay, you can do this again. One alternative here. And also the bank going stream. A bank has a commitment for killing. A bank has to pay workers. A bank has to pay for unfulfilling the obligation of servicing our interest on our loans. How do you want a bank has to also carry on capital expenditure projects? Hospital. How do you want government to meet all these obligations? And you know, okay, that is and then my free of Baba, no one has to come on yet, my forecast. Near your bill so day, actually, after the interest on loan, yes, and you be because we are not having money to contact at one place, I'm a free acquisition. You did not make any suggestion. You did not give any alternative. All that you free, you don't want to. Now, when government takes free more, what it means is that government has to go either to go to the open market to borrow money equivalent of the 6.9 another 7 billion. Not the best you can. Now, buying or giving loans. And you still want government to go back and add another 7 billion with interest. That's how they go. So, it's in the future. So, the people want to say, yes, about 11. Let us sit down and say, okay, yeah, 1.75. Yes, yes, certain percentage. Not gradually, no. Then graduating young call. About what me are casting, capital expenditure, so casting a crack. If we have capital expenditures into Kaka, many of the same number of which is fair. But if you say, you need not to, we don't want to see before we can approve, take it away. How do you want government to finance? Because you see, a revenue is a young. And you didn't hear my point. Maybe you didn't hear your interest, you know. I think you can't come up with the and send the Kinyas argument. That 2 items with the revenue that we are going to collect. Whether say a port to be a BGTO, a director, or indirector, or royalty, nobody a BGTO. It can't even pay workers and service alone. We need an additional amount of addition before we can do it. You know, that he cannot more and more. He cannot even pay workers and service its loan at the same time. And the danger is that you want me to fulfill it, your services, you will be blacklisted. And you can never get any extended credit facility free of maybe. We should put politics aside. Well, the NDP might want political, but it should not be at the expense of the people. They can do everything. It is their right, because as minority, they are seeking political power. But don't do it to frustrate the entire government and the entire population. And then you have what them say. And just what we are hearing in the boat. We knew what you inquire about, but that will not help anybody.
Okay.
And we don't want that chaos. You bet that chaos to the back. It's important that you bet now. You partisanship. Nationalistic one.
I see.
Because they are not the government in the government will never suffer.
Okay.
The government, we can live on the again 3 months on account.
That is per constitution, you know.
Yes. Parliament, you're very don't need any budget. You know about the parliament is almost for almost 3 months. Because obey your mind or very he can come and take it. But who is going to suffer?
Okay.
They come in the capital spending. The only thing I asked is
okay. Okay. Indeed, as it stands now, no speaker joining a few sitting for Ochina. Indeed, you heard him say China mo be ko no mo. Indeed, sisi ya yenim yanka say budget na ya reject and I am rejected here.
Constitutionally, you know, Obia no obetumi akasa budget na rejected because they could not meet the constitutional requirements, even our own standing order requirements for that one. And you know, you want to say a null and void. There's no decision that can be taken. There wasn't any decision. Because these two constitutional provisions, the Article 1041, then the Senate Order 109, were not for peace.
I see. Okay.
You know, there's no decision.
I see. Enti yanhwe ni mu se nyame yadom e chena mo beko on.
Oh, what can I say? Yes, the class is branded here. This is how we want to do.
Okay.
Now, we will give the finance minister the opportunity. No, that is what happened. Then we decided that we will not give the man the chance to come to say, where am I coming to the call? What the call? The budget workshop. What do you know? You see, I feel I'm a person here. The person is 2 ways to say, the person here is the moment never been late. And then a new entire budget, but on the appendix, you know, the tables we change this now. Technically to be, you know, I'll just come and lay that one. Woman, the choir. Now, if I'm not banner, but